Want to know how to access documents in Lovable AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Lovable AI application. And once you have done that, here you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you are with this interface, here you should be seeing various options, and on the top right side you should be seeing your profile. So if you don't see it, you have to log in. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, once you've clicked on the top right side profile right here, you should be seeing various options. Now right beside invite, you should be seeing settings. So simply select settings right here. And now once you've selected settings, here you should be seeing various options. Now, in order to integrate Supabase, here you should be seeing this lightning Supabase icon right here. So you can just simply select it. And now here you should be seeing connect Supabase. So you can just simply select connect Supabase right here. And once that is done, you should be able to log in and connect or integrate your Supabase to Lovable. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.